All right, it's shawnshawn here. We're ready to do the big announcement. As you can tell, behind me we have the 4 piles of paintings. So let's go through the paintings one by one. I'll see how everyone does. So as you remember, this is the first painting from painting number 1. Now we're going to check out the rest of them. So that also has this painting, this painting, a harmonica, this abstract, this one, a lighthouse, champagne, a sucker, and a foggy forest. So who wins prize number 1? Let's go check it out, guys. So prize number 1 for all those paintings we just saw is Rita Hayden. Rita Hayden, you got prize number 1. You guys ready to see prize number 2? All right, let's go check it out. As you remember, this was the painting advertised, so this is the prize number 2 for that painting. We also have a famous toilet paper painting for the COVID crisis. A nice boat ride in Venice. One of my famous lightning storms. A winter river. Another sucker. A koi fish here. Picture of Mars. Molotov cocktail. And a Jew harp. So, who won prize number 2? Let's go check it out. So, prize number 2 is Pamela Nichols. So, Pamela Nichols, you are prize number 2. You guys ready to see prize number 3? All right, let's go check it out. So as advertised, this is the first painting in prize number 3. A nice fall scene. This one also has a sucker painting. Has a nice sailboat on sunset. Another sailboat. Whoa, I guess you guys like sailboats. A winter farm in Indiana. My only flower painting. A nice vineyard painting. Painting of Mars. A black hole. And some more cookie. So that's prize number 3. Who do you think the winner is? Could it be you? Let's see who the winner is, guys. So prize number 3 is, you guys ready? Jade Busby. Jade Busby is prize number 3. Third prize here. All right, we got one more winner, guys. You guys ready to see the prize number 4? Now all these are the same size. They're all 10 paintings. So prize 4 is just as good as prize 1, prize 2, and prize 3. Let's see what you got here. So as advertised, it was this foggy forest. That's the number 1. We also have water lilies, Monet style. A Eskimo, or I can't remember what kind of ice cream this is. It's the famous one in the foil. One of my abstracts here. You have kind of a cloudy seascape. A little of my infamous toilet paper from the COVID crisis. Sailing near Antarctica. a black hole painting. This is Hot Springs, I think in Yellowstone. And a fish, tropical fish. So who is the last prize winner? Let's go find out. So our very last winner is Ronald Boyle. Ronald Boyle is prize number 4. So I'll run through the quick other winners if you guys don't remember. Prize number 1, Rita Hayden. Prize 2, Pamela Nichols. Third prize, Jade Busby. I get too many blank pages here. And prize 4 was Ronald Boyle. Look out for my email on the prize winners, and then I'll follow with more instructions for the prize winners. And also, those of you who didn't win, check out the email as well. I got a special discount code for all new subscribers to my newsletter. And look out for next month's winners. The next month's contest. I have to see what I want to do, a big or 40 paintings again, or what have you. Thanks for playing, guys.